So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. All right, so this video topic is, here's how to drive for Uber and Lyft at the same time. So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make extra money, one good way to do that is to drive for both apps at the same exact time. But you might be wondering, how is it possible to drive for two apps at the exact same time? Izzy, do you think it's possible?
I don't know.
Well, let me tell you, okay? So basically, let's back up a second. If you're driving for Lyft, like I have many days, I've spent many of my days on this God's green earth driving for Lyft, okay? Many a days. And during those times, I had to wait a long time too. I had to wait in between, sometimes for 30, 40, sometimes an hour just for a ride. Because, not every time, there's other drivers out there. Sometimes it's slow, whatever. Now, how much money are you making when you're waiting, Izzy?
Zero.
Zero. Good job. You got that one right. You get a gold star. Nice. But now imagine that while you're waiting for a Lyft ride, you're also waiting for an Uber ride too. So statistically, what's going to happen? Your wait time is going to cut in half, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now instead of waiting, let's say 30 minutes for a ride, you only wait 15. Now all of a sudden, or maybe it's 10, maybe on average it's around 50-50, maybe it's whatever, maybe Uber is more popular in your area, so it goes down to you only wait 5 minutes per ride. Now all of a sudden you start minimizing your wait times and you're getting more rides. Yeah, you're splitting up your pay from Uber and Lyft. It looks like you're making less. It looks like you're making less per app, but in total you're making more. So the way you want to do that is you essentially log on to both apps at the same exact time, and as soon as you get a ride request from one, you go to the other app and you just decline, you go offline on that one. Now, there will be times when you're getting double ride requests at the same time. And at this point, that's good news because, yeah, you're going to have to decline one. Your cancellation rate's going to go up a little bit. But you can pick and choose which ride's better. And so that's how you make the most amount of money doing Uber and Lyft at the same exact time. Izzy, what do you think? Was that a good lesson?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea because then time is money.
Exactly.
You're not wasting any time. So that seems like a good idea.
100%.
But okay. Don't get confused doing, what if you forget to to like go offline, like turn one on, because you can't have them both running at the.
Yeah, you gotta turn one off.
Yeah.
You gotta turn them off as soon as you get a ride
Oh,
from
okay.
the other one.